A lone pup in the rainforests. The viral rescue of Coco the Capybara, starring a furry friend who stole Hot's line one, found alone by the riverbank. Deep in a misty rainforest, where sunlight filtered through thick vines and the air buzzed with dragonflies, a tiny baby capybara named Coco was discovered shivering alone on the muddy edge of a swollen river. Her fur was soaked from the previous night's storm, and her wide eyes searched nervously around for her family. "Too young to survive on her own," she chirped softly, a high-pitched sound echoing across the water like a call for help. Rescuers navigated flooded trails and dense undergrowth to reach the stranded pup. The moment was captured by a drone surveying flood damage. When the footage hit social media, it spread fast. Within hours, clips of her rescue went viral. "Baby capybara rescued from flood" trended worldwide, sparking a wave of support for wildlife conservation in vulnerable rainforest regions. Millions were moved by Coco's lonely cry and innocent gaze. Wildlife rescuers knew they had to act to a race against time. Her large ears twitched as she sniffed the unfamiliar surroundings, but she remained trusting her rescuers. With rising waters threatening to sweep her away and predators like caimans lurking nearby, every careful step was filmed, showing the team gently wrapping Coco in a warm towel and placing her into a padded transport crate. Her quiet resilience touched hearts across the globe.